Investing in your education, boosting earning potential the right way. In today's rapidly evolving job market, investing in your education is one of the most effective ways to enhance your earning potential and secure a prosperous future. As a C1 level English learner, you're already demonstrating a commitment to personal growth. Let's explore how you can leverage education to maximize your financial success. The value of continuous learning. In an era where technological advancements and global competition are reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace, the importance of lifelong learning cannot be overstated. By continuously upgrading your skills and knowledge, you position yourself as an invaluable asset in the job market. Consider this. According to recent studies, individuals with advanced degrees or specialized certifications earn, on average, 20–30% more than their counterparts with only basic qualifications. This substantial difference in earning potential underscores the financial benefits of investing in your education. Identifying high ROI educational opportunities. When considering educational investments, it's crucial to focus on options that offer a high return on investment, ROI. Here are some strategies to help you make informed decisions. 1. Research industry trends. Stay abreast of emerging technologies and skills in your field. Websites like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera offer insights into in-demand skills across various industries. 2. Seek employer input. If you're currently employed, discuss potential educational pursuits with your supervisor. Many companies offer tuition reimbursement programs for courses that align with business needs. 3. Network with professionals. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and networking events to gain insights into valuable skills and certifications from experienced professionals. 4. Analyze job postings. Regularly review job listings in your desired field to identify frequently requested qualifications and skills. Types of educational investments. 1. Traditional degree programs. While often more time-consuming and expensive, advanced degrees can significantly boost your earning potential, especially in fields like business, engineering, and healthcare. 2. Professional certifications. Industry-recognized certifications, such as PMP for project management or CFA for finance, can quickly enhance your credibility and marketability. 3. Online courses and MOOCs. Platforms like edX, Udacity, and FutureLearn offer flexible, cost-effective options for acquiring new skills or exploring new fields. 4. Workshops and seminars. Intensive short-term programs can provide focused learning experiences and valuable networking opportunities. 5. Language proficiency. As an English learner, continuing to enhance your language skills can open doors to international opportunities and higher-paying positions. Maximizing the return on your educational investment. To ensure you're getting the most out of your educational pursuits. 1. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable objectives for your learning journey. For example, increase my salary by 15% within 2 years of completing a data science certification. 2. Create a learning schedule. Allocate dedicated time for studying and skill development. Consistency is key to making progress. 3. Apply your knowledge. Look for opportunities to implement new skills in your current role or through volunteer work. Practical application reinforces learning and demonstrates value to employers. 4. Build a professional portfolio. Document your projects, achievements, and newly acquired skills. This tangible evidence of your growth can be a powerful tool in salary negotiations or job interviews. 5. Leverage online resources. Supplement formal education with free resources like educational YouTube channels, podcasts, and industry blogs to stay current in your field. Overcoming common challenges. Investing in education often comes with obstacles. Here's how to address some common challenges. 1. Time management. Balancing work, personal life, and education can be daunting. Utilize time management techniques like the Pomodoro method or time blocking to maximize productivity. 2. Financial constraints. Explore scholarships, grants, and employer-sponsored programs. Consider part-time or online programs that allow you to continue working while studying. 3. Technology barriers. If you're not tech-savvy, many educational institutions offer support services to help you navigate online learning platforms. 4. Motivation. Join study groups or find an accountability partner to stay motivated and on track with your educational goals. The long-term perspective. While the immediate costs of education might seem daunting, it's essential to consider the long-term benefits. Over a lifetime, the increased earning potential and career opportunities far outweigh the initial investment. Moreover, the knowledge and skills you acquire become an integral part of your professional identity, opening doors to new and exciting career paths. Remember, investing in your education is not just about earning more money. It's about creating a fulfilling career that aligns with your passions and values. As you continue to grow and learn, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate the complexities of the modern workplace and achieve your financial goals. Key vocabulary. 1. Earning potential. The amount of money a person can potentially earn in their career. 2. Lifelong learning. The ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge throughout one's life. 3. Return on investment, ROI. The benefit to an investor resulting from an investment of some resource. 4. Tuition reimbursement. A benefit where employers pay back employees for education expenses. 5. Industry trends. Current patterns or tendencies within a specific field of business. 6. Networking. Interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional contacts. 7. Certifications. Official documents attesting to a status or level of achievement. 8. Marketability. The quality of being able to be marketed or sold. 9. Massive open online courses, MOOCs. Free online courses available for anyone to enroll. 10. Time management. The process of planning and exercising conscious control over time spent on activities. By focusing on these strategies and maintaining a commitment to continuous learning, you're positioning yourself for long-term financial success and career satisfaction. Remember, in the world of personal finance and career development, knowledge truly is power, and investing in your education is one of the most powerful moves you can make.